The Moon, our celestial neighbor, has fascinated humanity for millennia. This rocky satellite, about one-sixth the size of Earth, orbits our planet, controlling tides and marking the passage of time. From ancient mythologies to modern space missions, the Moon has been at the center of human curiosity. The Moon's surface, dotted with craters and maria, those dark basaltic plains, tells a story of cosmic collisions and volcanic activity. We will explore its origins, its influence on Earth, and the potential for future lunar settlements. So buckle up and get ready for a journey through the mysteries and marvels of our Moon. In 1969, Neil Armstrong's famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," echoed across the globe as he became the first human to set foot on the Moon. However, not everyone believes this historic event happened. Moon landing conspiracy theories suggest that NASA faked the Apollo missions to win the space race against the Soviet Union. Critics point to seemingly odd details like the waving flag, unusual shadows, and the absence of stars in the photographs. NASA has provided explanations for these anomalies, such as the flag rippling in a vacuum and camera exposure settings. Despite these clarifications, skeptics remain unconvinced, yet the scientific community stands firm on the validity of the moon landings. The moon landings represent a monumental achievement in human history, demonstrating our ability to overcome immense challenges and explore new frontiers. The most widely accepted theory of the Moon's formation is the giant impact hypothesis. According to this theory, a Mars-sized body, often referred to as Theia, collided with the early Earth around 4.5 billion years ago. The impact ejected a massive amount of debris into orbit around Earth, which eventually coalesced to form the Moon. This theory is supported by the similar isotopic compositions of Earth and Moon rocks. Computer simulations of the giant impact scenario also align well with the current characteristics of the Earth-Moon system. However, some aspects of the theory remain debated, such as the exact nature and timing of the impact. Alternative theories exist but face significant challenges in explaining the Moon's current orbit and composition. Despite ongoing research, the origin of the Moon remains one of the most intriguing questions in planetary science. The term dark side of the Moon often evokes images of a cold, mysterious landscape shrouded in darkness. However, it is a bit of a misnomer. The Moon is tidally locked to Earth, meaning the same side always faces us. The far side, which we never see from Earth, receives just as much sunlight as the near side. The far side of the Moon is less familiar because it was first photographed only in 1959 by the Soviet Luna 3 spacecraft. Scientific missions have shown that the far side is geologically distinct, with more impact craters and fewer maria than the near side. China's Chang'e 4 mission, which successfully landed on the far side in 2019, provided unprecedented insights. Understanding the differences between the near and far sides could unlock new clues about the Moon's history and the dynamics of our solar system. One of the most well-known effects of the Moon is its influence on Earth's tides. The gravitational pull of the Moon causes the water in Earth's oceans to bulge out in the direction of the Moon. This results in high tides in the areas of Earth facing the Moon and on the opposite side. As Earth rotates, different areas experience high and low tides, creating the rhythmic rise and fall of ocean levels that we observe daily. This tidal force has significant impacts on coastal ecosystems and human activities. It affects marine life, with many species adapting their breeding and feeding behaviors to the tidal cycles. For humans, tides play a crucial role in navigation, fishing, and coastal management. The Moon's role in shaping Earth's natural rhythms underscores its importance beyond just being a celestial companion. The Moon has long been thought to influence human behavior, with folklore and popular culture often attributing strange occurrences to its phases. The term lunacy itself derives from Luna, the Roman goddess of the moon, reflecting ancient beliefs in the moon's power over the mind. Even today, many people believe that full moons bring about odd behavior, increased criminal activity, and higher rates of emergency room visits. Scientific studies on the moon's effects on human behavior have yielded mixed results. Some research suggests a slight increase in certain activities during a full moon, but these findings are often inconclusive or attributed to other factors. Despite the lack of definitive scientific evidence, the idea of the moon's influence persists. Whether or not the moon directly affects human actions, its presence in our lives is undeniable. As we look to the future, the moon remains a focal point for space exploration. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon by 2025, with plans to establish a sustainable presence by the end of the decade. Lunar settlements present both opportunities and challenges. The moon's resources, such as water ice in permanently shadowed craters, could support human habitation and provide fuel for spacecraft. Establishing a lunar base could serve as a stepping stone for deeper space missions, offering a testing ground for new technologies and life support systems. However, living on the moon is no easy feat, with harsh environmental conditions posing significant hurdles. International collaboration will also be crucial, with space agencies from around the world planning their own lunar missions. The dream of living on the moon is inching closer to reality, expanding our scientific knowledge and inspiring the next generation to reach for the stars. The moon continues to captivate us with its beauty and mysteries. From the first human footsteps on its surface to the ongoing debates about its formation and influence, the moon remains a source of wonder and intrigue. Its role in shaping Earth's tides, its potential to host future human settlements, and the enduring myths surrounding it highlight its multifaceted significance. Each mission uncovers new secrets and raises new questions, fueling our curiosity and expanding our understanding of the universe. So next time you gaze up at the night sky and see the moon shining brightly, take a moment to ponder its mysteries. The moon invites us all to look up and imagine, ensuring it will always be a beacon of inspiration for generations to come.